Starting this week, our assignments are going to look slightly different. You're still going to have the 3 assignments each day, but they are going to be phonics, math, and then reading and writing. So I'm going to show you the reading and writing assignment so that you know how to do it and what to do. So when you click on it, there will be instructions. Mine looks different because I'm the teacher. So there will be written instructions that you can read. Here, you are going to click on the slide that says reading and writing and the date, so May 11th. This looks like what we've been doing for writing. So this is your writing assignment. You are going to write about the 2 books that you're reading. The difference is you're not going to that website that you used to go to by clicking on the link. You are going to click on the titles of the books to get you there. So this will come up. I'm not sure if it's going to come up only the first time that you log in or every time, but when this comes up, you're going to go back to the assignment, and here it says reading instructions slide. That has your login. So your login is bookflix48 green. So the username is bookflix48, so all lowercase letters, and number 4, number 8. And then your password is the word green, all lowercase letters. So you'll go back to that sign in and you'll put it in. So as soon as you get in there, as you just saw, it will start playing the story, The Curious Garden. So that is where you watch the story, The Curious Garden. And then here, when you click here, it will take you to read the book, Our Earth Helping Out. So this is just like what you've been doing. You're just logging in slightly differently. Here are the puzzlers, word match, fact or fiction, which came first, dive deeper, explore the web, meet the creators. So again, your reading and writing assignment is combined. After you have read both of the books and completed the reading assignment by doing the activities, you're going to go to your slide that says Scholastic News Journal and you're going to do your writing. So you're going to write about something you found interesting in the 2 books. I notice is a great sentence starter. Don't forget a period at the end. Then you're going to write about a question that you had. I wonder is a great sentence starter. Don't forget a question mark. The last thing you're writing about is a connection that you made as you read. A great sentence starter is, this book reminds me of. Don't forget your period at the end. So when you're done logging in and doing your reading and then doing your writing, you'll press the X and press the blue turn in button. Don't forget to log into Imagine Learning for 30 minutes and to practice reading with books at your house or on Epic Books.